What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and boy do we have a effed up car here. This got hit by hell. Just look at this. Look at all of this damage. I already did the R&I. We're gonna try to save it. I'm not promising it will go 100% without painting because this is really bad. I mean, look at this. But let's do what we got to do. This is a project that's gonna take me a few days at least. We're trying to save it. I'm gonna start with the roof. Headliner is down, sunroof is down. With the sides, we took the tail light out, which gives us a nice access. Fender has really nice access as well, but fender is aluminum, so the hood's gonna be replaced. The rail we're gonna have to glue pull, and the quarter panel, nice access through the tail light, and also the doors. We'll gut them, take everything out, window, door panel, everything, even the handle, mirror, everything. Take it off, put the doors on the stand. It's the only way you can do these doors. So let's go. Sunroof down, headliner down, so we have really good access. So we are about a day and a half into this bad boy, and we're slowly getting there. What we did in a day and a half was almost all of the roof. As you can see, the car is getting torn apart. I left this part of the roof, the back part. Let's see, maybe because I was waiting for the hatch to get off. And we also did that whole side, which was the easy side. Did this rail, did half of the fender. I was waiting for doors to be taken off. So what we have left is finish that part of the roof, finish this, both doors were on the stand, and finish this. So I figure we have another day and a half tops. So let's go. Hey, another progress report. So yesterday we did fender, we finished the roof. The roof is now all done. Did the fender, did both doors. They're back on already. Also started with this quarter panel. And all we have left is here, this side. This, from this up to here. And the trunk, which is still off. It's on the stand right now. So, like expected, another half a day maybe. So total, this will be 3 days. Not bad for this type of damage. And it's coming out really nicely. But let's continue with the last parts. Get them done and out. So after 3 long days, this car is finally done, and the hood needs to be replaced. It still needs to be put back together, but it's ready to go out. It was hard, definitely the hardest car I ever did so far. Full PDR, and I'm gonna show you the after video in a second here. But before I do that, make sure you click the like button and the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.